satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go.
So this is what the kinky straight bob looks like on me. As you guys can see, this wig is very full, especially because of the hair texture as well. So I feel like if you do end up getting this wig, just bear in mind that once you wash this hair, it's going to be a lot bigger than this. So you're going to have to use your hot comb, your blow dryer or something. You're going to have to use your hot tools and your straighteners to get this hair to be, you know, how it should look. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig. And I feel like I want to do a glueless wig install today, you know, just the quickest way possible to install this wig. So it comes with their real HD lace and their clean hairline. So when I got the wig was already pre-plucked, it was already pre-bleached as well. The only thing is the hairline was a bit too straight for me, so I did go in to pluck it just a little bit more just at the front. So this is 150 density, so that's why I'm like, whoa, 150 density, this is a lot of hair for 150. But obviously because of the hair texture, it is expected, and it comes with some slight layers as well. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and install this wig now, and then we can go from there and decide on how I'm gonna style the wig. But I'm just gonna clip it away from my face for now.
Something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow.
To install the wig today, I'm going to use my Crowned Beauty hair mousse. So if you want to do a glueless install, you need a stronghold hair mousse. So one that I would really recommend is the Nairobi hair mousse. It's so good. That one I know for a fact will get the job done. But today I don't have that with me, so I'm going to use the Crowned Beauty hair mousse. The hold on this hair mousse is everything. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace, and then we can go from there.
Oh, it hurts like yellow, yellow.
Also, to make the wig fit really snug on my head, I've just clipped the adjustable straps at the back of the wig, just clipped it together, and yeah, that's what's holding it right now. So
lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like
So just to blend the lace in, I'm just going to go in with a brush that already has some cream foundation, and I'm just going to dab that over the lace.
It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I?
And this is how the lace is looking. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the hair mousse all over the hairline.
Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies.
So this is what it looks like, and then now I'm just going to go ahead and use my melt band and just lay this down.
You depend on my weakness, satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I
the ear tabs just to make sure that the lace lays down. Pull that down.
Cause I just don't know something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go.
Okay, so once that's dried down, I'm now gonna go ahead and just style the wig.
But it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, cause I just don't know something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow.
Can you guys see? Oh my god, this is giving natural hair vibes.
Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I do. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night. Telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
I'm just gonna cut off the side.
You depend on my weakness.
And when you're cutting the sides, you don't want to cut straight. You want to cut kind of like a up and down motion.
Satisfying you when I keep bleeding.
This is what this side looks like. The hairline looks so good.
I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you, cause I just don't know something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me.
I feel like if you want this hair to be a bit more sleek, you definitely have to go in and straighten the hair, maybe track by track, or like spend a bit more time straightening the hair than I did. But as for me, I think this is okay. I kind of like the way I've curled the hair as well. So yeah, this is definitely very different to what I would normally go for, but I feel like it's definitely giving grown. It's giving very mature. The lace on point. Love the lace. It's absolutely seamless. You can't even see it. And I think this is definitely going to be my new way of installing my HD lace wigs, because it just makes a lot of sense and it's so much quicker And yeah, like my wig is very snug, it's not going anywhere, and this is 100% glueless. I've only used hair mousse to glue down the wig, to install the wig today. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. You guys let me know what you think of this look and this wig in the comment section below. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.